Hello friends, welcome to This Week in Word Study. This week we are going to be looking at letter feature P, sort number 10. This week we're going to be looking at base words that end in consonant T and I-C. For most base words that end in the consonant T, we just add I-O-N, as we will see in words such as digest and digestion. When a word ends in IC and we add IAN to it, the sound becomes a shun, and that indicates a person. You can also make some verbs into nouns by the addition of TION or IAN. Let's get started looking at some of our words. First word we're going to look at is digest. We hear that T sound at the end, and that goes under just our plain T sound. Its buddy word, digestion, we don't hear that prominent T sound. We go from digest to digestion. Our next word, assert, and its buddy word, assertion. We hear the shun sound at the end when we add that ION to the ending T. Our next word, magic, we hear a K sound, and its buddy word, magician. So magic is a noun, and magician is also a noun, but it's a person. So when we add the IAN after the C, that indicates a person. Electric, we hear the K sound. To electrician, that is a person who works with electric. Adopt, we hear a T sound, and its buddy word, adoption, we hear a shun sound at the end. Accept, we hear the T sound at the end. Exception, when we add that ION, we get the shun sound. Clinic and clinician, that's a person who works at a clinic. Our oddball this week is going to be the word present and presentation. And that is an oddball because even though the word present ends in a T, presentation does not end in ION. We have to add an ATION. Therefore, that is an oddball for this week. Please take your time to sort these words a few times, noting that we have endings of T plus ION to make the shun sound, IC with a K sound at the end, and adding IAN, we get the shun sound. Have a great week. Thanks for listening.